300. So hopefully it should apply for both. I will check once for email and password happening similar. Yeah, happening similar for email and password. This is called attribute selector, but this is become your lengthy code. Instead of this, you can use the best method called class. Instead of this, you can use the best method called class. But for interview purpose, you can remember it. If anyone is asking, we can mention like this. For a particular attribute, we are mentioning the CSS. Okay, working. So now we can create the file. Not create the file, we'll download the folder from internet. Bootstrap library will download and then we will use it. So create a first folder. Create a folder. This was only. This is called CSS for which one? Attribute selector. We'll create the folder called Bootstrap. Folder name create called Bootstrap. Bootstrap folder name.
It's not getting previous two programs.
Which previous two programs? Which previous? Create folder called Bootstrap. New program. What we have written. After class, you ask me. All are waiting. After class, you will wait for some time. You do one thing, you take her file and then check. That is same problem. That file is working. Her file?
Yes.
Her file is working in your system.
Like that we did not fix it. Afterwards you
give the file once more. You can give your file to her and then she will check whether You can give the file CSS code only. Give only CSS code. Okay, and then later to check. Folder you created, which folder? Bootstrap folder. Inside Bootstrap folder, keep some photos from your computer. If you have photo, copy that, paste in the Bootstrap folder. Keep some photo under the Bootstrap folder and create a new file under this folder. Which folder? Bootstrap folder. Text file you will create. Give the file name Bootstrap Developer Guide. Bootstrap Developer Guide. Create one text file. Okay, ready? File is ready. Bootstrap Developer Guide. Now open the internet and search getbootstrap.com. Open the internet and type the website called getbootstrap.com. Getbootstrap.com. Site is open. Getbootstrap.com. Getbootstrap.com. Now click on docs. There is a link called docs, DOCS. Click on docs. Not docs. Below there is a link called download. In bootstrap.com, below you can see one link called download here.
Yes, sir.
Click on download link. Click on download link. Then after that, you will click on download source. Click on download links, and after that click on download source. Scroll down, there will be an option called download source. Download source. Click on download source. The source code will get downloaded. Let me know once your download happen. In chat, please reply me if you have downloaded. Download source we need to click. And it's get downloaded. Let me know once. Download zip folder. Download for all three. Now we'll go to the folder. Go to the folder. This folder you have got, right? You have got a folder called Bootstrap, zip folder. You will copy that folder from here. Copy the folder from here, right? And paste into our folder that we have made today. We have made a folder today. We'll go to that folder and we'll paste inside that. We have made a folder today. Paste inside that. Now after that, extract this folder. Right click and extract here. Right click and extract here. extract here. Extracted. See, if you all three, if you follow me, you will be on track. If you follow her, she will follow you. She will follow her, she will follow you. You all three will be confused automatically. I told download and extract it. Listen me. Download it. Everyone should follow that. If you follow her, she will follow you. She will follow her, she will follow you. All will talk together. Everyone will be waiting for you. Okay, not like that. Follow everything systematically. So folder is downloaded. Do the extract of that. Right click. There is option called extract here. Extract all. Right, extracted. Or going on. Go inside this folder. Zip folder you have now. Delete that. You have one zip folder and one is unzip folder. The zip folder you delete now. That is not required. Zip folder you can delete. Else you will do the mistake later also. Some different type of mistake. So zip folder is deleted. Now we have only one folder called unzip folder. Bootstrap 5.2 point something. Go inside that folder. You will find a dist folder. DIST. Folder will have a folder called DIST. CSS, JSS, dist folder. You got the dist folder? Copy the dist folder. Copy the dist folder. Come out from this folder again to the main folder. Come back to the main folder and you paste here. This y inside, copy from inside and paste outside. Dist was inside, copy from inside and paste outside. Now dist is pasted outside. Under the dist folder you check. You have one CSS and JS. Under the dist folder there will be CSS and JS. Under the CSS there will be many files. Many files are there. Many files. So in this all the file, you are going to use the first file, bootstrap.css. That is the required for us. If you want to delete remaining other file, no problem, you can delete. But don't delete that first file. That is called bootstrap.css. Okay, so bootstrap.css file will be the collection with the collection of all the features. Then our folder is dist folder. Is either dist folder CSS. Under the CSS you have this one. Now you will create one file test.html and you will keep here only, where we have dist, we have photos, we have bootstrap developer guide, and here only create one more file. Give the file name called test.html. Test.html here. Not inside dist or image or anywhere, only under this folder, main folder. The bootstrap we have created under the main folder. Create a file called test.html. Test.html. Should be here only. I'll show you where you should create the test.html. Here is the test.html. You can see it. Now at least see the folder structure how it is and then create file. Developer guide, test, photos, list, all are in one folder. All are in one folder. Okay, so test file is ready. Now come to the test.html file. Inside the test.html file, so hope everyone understood, file is under this folder. Main folder where we have test, where we have photos, and where we have developer guide. At the same place, you have created the file called test.html. Now go next. Go next to the test.html file and HTML open close, head open close, link tab open close, rel equal to a style set, href equal to link rel style set href equal to dest css bootstrap dot css. Link rel style set href dest css bootstrap dot css. Next, your spelling of this line, bootstrap. Come down, follow the body tag. Inside body tag, write class equal to bg-primary, bg primary, write the h1, text hyphen white, bg primary text white, and write there call. This line is in white color. This line is in white color. This line is in white color. Okay, ready? BG white, BG primary text white. Save the file, run it. Background should be blue color, text should be white color. If this is like this, means your bootstrap is calling properly. Background blue and text white. If it is like this, your page is calling properly. Same for all. Okay, now next after this, we will write some notes in our developer guide first. While writing the bootstrap, you have to follow certain rule regulation. In bootstrap, we have list of classes. Suppose you wrote here BG primary is a class. So have you written this class? Where? No, have you written the BG primary class? No, we have not written. It is coming from this file. Which file? Bootstrap dot? It's coming from the bootstrap.css file. Okay. So under the bootstrap.css file, these classes are written. BG primary, text white. Okay. So this bootstrap.css file, if you open, you will find 10,000 plus class names are written inside. Which file? Bootstrap.css. Yes. Many thousand classes are written inside. So we are going to remember which class for what purpose. Which class for what purpose. Okay. So there we have to write the list of the classes, and after writing the list of few classes, we will go through the policy. You will understand the rule regulation while writing the pages using the bootstrap. How we should write. We cannot write the code directly. We have to follow certain rule regulation. That's called grid system. It is called a grid system. Okay. It is called a grid system. So we will go now under the developer guide. That page we created to test purpose whether your page is loading or not. Okay. Come in this developer guide, right inside Bootstrap is library of CSS. In notebook, if you write, then it will become very long. Write where in the system. Okay, in system, how I created the developer guide. Okay, write anywhere, wherever you are comfortable. So library, Bootstrap is a library of CSS. Next, after that, what is the use of the Bootstrap? You can write here, it has collections of predefined CSS classes. It has a collections of predefined CSS classes that used to design a responsive web page. That used to design a responsive web page. The CSS classes that used to design the responsive web page. Bootstrap is a library of CSS. It has the collections of predefined CSS classes that used to design responsive web page. Now write. Bootstrap has a feature called grid system. Bootstrap grid system. Bootstrap grid system has divided Bootstrap grid system divided all type of device in 6 types based on screen width. Bootstrap grid system has divided all type of devices in 6 types based on screen width. What are those? One is called extra small. Second is called small. Third is called medium. Fourth is called large. Fifth is called extra large. Sixth is called double extra large. EXTRA. Double extra large. Total 6 types. Now for all 6 types, there are certain for all 6 types. DEVID or DIVID? Check on internet. DEVID, what is the meaning of that? DEVID. DIVID. DIVID. Okay, hope written. How many types? 6 types. Now go inside that 6 types. That is called 1 pixel to 576 pixel. 1 pixel to 576 pixel. 1 px to 576 px. will be calling extra small. Screen width. Second one we have second one we have 577 TX to 768. Next, after that, $769, 992. Screen width will be college medium. $993, 1200 px. $993 to 1200 px. The screen width will be called a large. Next 1200 px to 1 to 1400. Extra large. Greater than 1401. Double. Extra large. Written. Total number type of device 6. Now for each type of device, we have 12 class name. So total 6 type of device we have. So 12 into 6, 72. Class names we have, we are going to write below. Bootstrap has given, we'll be writing nearly 400 class names. So if you're writing in notebook, then your notebook will be filled with the class names. Bootstrap has given 12 classes, 12 CSS classes for each device. Right, for extra small, list of the classes are all -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 to 12 you have to write call -1, call -2, call -3, call -4, call -5, call -6, call -7, call -8, 9, 10, 11 and then 12. Next, after this, second one, that is called a small device. A small device. Right there, call hyphen sm hyphen 1, class name call sm1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 classes. Okay, so write for SM first. Complete for, not for SM, or extra small. 12 classes for the extra small. Twelve classes for extra small. Next, write for the small. Call SM1, call SM2, call SM3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. Let me know also once you write in. Okay, so how many classes you wrote? 12 plus 12, 24. Okay. Next, write the next for the large, medium. Medium. We have next 12 classes for medium device. 12 class we have for the medium device. So that is call MD1 to call MD12. Class name is call hyphen MD hyphen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change that call MD1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. हाँ? बिल्ड वाला हाँ कल बना देंगे नो प्रॉब्लम ठीक है okay so call sm 1 to 12 call md 1 to 12 added next after that we have call lg large fourth one write the 12th one fourth one large device class name is easy to remember class names are easy to remember now right here call lg 1 to 12 call lg 1 2 3 4 5 complete the md part call md okay hope written call lg 1 md you have completed Now write LG 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write that class name to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write it quickly. After writing, let me know in chat. Written all 1 to 12 LG. After LG, extra large we have. Wait, they're writing. And so next after that, we have one more called extra large, fifth one. Fifth one we have called extra large. In that you have to add the Excel. Class name is Excel. Class name will be called Excel. Excel 1, Excel 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Excel for extra large. Fifth one is Excel for extra large.
Extra large.
And that double Excel you have to apply. Okay, so including all, you should have total 72 classes. 72. Okay, done. Now come down below. Now write next while creating the classes using Bootstrap, what steps we have to follow. So right below, while creating web page using Bootstrap, follow these steps. While creating a web page using the Bootstrap, follow these steps. Okay, what a step? Number one, in head section, link to bootstrap.css file. In head section, link to bootstrap.css file. In head section, link to bootstrap.css file. Number two, use body tag. Use body tag. Number three, inside body tag, use following classes. One called container. In container, what will happen? It has margin from left and right. It has margin from left and right. It has margin from left and right. Another class is there called container float. The right it cover full width. It cover full width of screen. It cover full width of screen. Container it has margin from left and right. Container float it cover full width of screen. Next, after that, step number 4 will be inside container or container and container float. Inside container or container float, use following class. Following class. Follow a row. Use the following class. Which class? Follow a row. Width is 100%. Height is auto. Width is 100%. Height is auto. Width is 100%. Height is auto. Next, after that, step number 5 will be there. Inside O class, follow columns. Inside the row class, follow the columns. Inside row class, follow the columns. Now below you will write in each row, minimum, each row, minimum 1 column. In each row, maximum 12 column. In each row, minimum 1 column. Each row maximum 12 column. So in one row, how many minimum? How many maximum? Minimum 1 and maximum 12. If you look into the list of the classes, for every device, maximum how many classes we have? 12 we have. For every device, we can see start from where 1, end to where 12. Here also start from 1, end to 12 in all the devices. A small, large, extra small, everywhere. Minimum in the sense we have some formula to understand this number system. Everywhere for all the devices is class 1 to 12, right? So that grid system we will understand tomorrow. It will take some time. Today you can't finish that, so we can leave here only today. This will help you. It's very good notes. Which one? List of how many classes? 72 classes. And one class here. 73, 74, and 75. Okay. Monday we can reach somewhere 150 classes. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow we can reach somewhere 150 classes. Tomorrow we will write some more class and we will implement.
Monday offline.
No, Monday offline. Monday who will come? Monday is Diwali. Monday I will not be here. Tomorrow we have last class. After that, next 27, 28, 29 online.
26 Mondays.
26 till I am on the way, no? From Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Java would have to come.
The Java trainer, he went hometown without any information. Some emergency happened. He just dropped a message and he went. So he also look like he will not come. Someone is no more is in his family. Okay.